nanoCAD 21 is available as a standalone, capable 2D and 3D design program. nanoCAD 21 is also a platform on which you can add the modules that help you get your work done better. There's a construction module for AEC design, Mechanica module for mechanical design, a raster module for working with scanned raster images, a topoplan module for working with digital terrains, and a 3D module that adds advanced 3D to nanoCAD. When you want to try out nanoCAD 21 for yourself, the first thing you do is you go to the nanocad.com website and then click on the Get Free Trial button. Click the Download button to get the full nanoCAD installation package that includes all 5 modules. If you're running on a network, download the License Server Network Wizard, and then review what's new in nanoCAD 21 by reading the PDF file. The download begins automatically, but if not, there's a handy link to click to force the download. Choose a folder in which to store the nanoCAD installation file. While waiting for the download to finish, click on Go to Account. If you don't have a Nanosoft account yet, then click Create Account. Enter in your email address and the other information, then click Create Account. An email will be sent to your email address to confirm that it exists. Enter in the 5 digits you receive into the next screen and click Confirm. Enter in a password and then you're into your personal account. The license number for your software will be listed there. Copy it to the clipboard. Once the download of nanoCAD is completed, go to the folder in which your web browser placed the file. Double-click it to open it and start the installation. If Windows asks if you want to allow nanoCAD 21 to be installed, click Yes. Then wait a few moments while Windows extracts the file. nanoCAD guides you through the installation with a setup wizard. To begin, click Next. Agree to the terms of the license agreement, and then click Next. After entering a username and optionally entering your company's name, click Paste to enter in the serial number from the clipboard. The default folder in which nanoCAD is installed is usually the best one. You can change it by clicking Change, or else click Next to continue on. Here you see what is being installed. You get Nano Platform, and because this is the demo version, you also get Construction and Mechanica. The nanoCAD platform comes with the modules for 3D modeling, raster editing, and terrain modeling included. If you don't want one of these installed, click the down arrow and then unselect it. For this tutorial, we'll install both. Click Next. Here, nanoCAD would like to associate file extensions like DWG with it. This means that if you double-click a DWG drawing file in the File Manager, it opens with nanoCAD automatically. You can choose to have this on or off. I'm leaving it on. Click Next, and finally it's ready to install. Click Install. And now wait a few moments while the Setup Wizard installs nanoCAD. Once nanoCAD is installed, the installer carries on to install Construction, and then installs Mechanica. When everything has been installed, the Setup Wizard then prompts you to launch the Registration Wizard. To do so, click Finish. There's 3 ways you can provide the registration or license number. The most common one is the first one, where you request it online. The second method is to tell the Registration Wizard where to find the license.lic file on your computer, and finally you could connect nanoCAD to a corporate license server if you're running a networked version of nanoCAD. Let's go back to the first option and click Next. Here's the field where the serial number goes, and it should already be in there because you entered it earlier. Click Next, enter in your name, optionally enter your company name, country, your email address with which you logged into your account, and then Next. Here's a summary of the information that will be sent to nanosoft. Click Next, and this is an important dialog box. nanoCAD can only be installed on one computer. The license is attached to that computer. Click Yes, and then there's 4 ways to request the license file. The most common method is to go over the internet, and you'll receive a response within a few seconds. A second way is to send an email. You'll get back the number you need by email. Third way is to go to the nanoCAD website enter in your account information, and then obtain the license from there. That's a useful one if you can't find your license number anymore. And finally, this is a handy one. If the computer you're using does not connect to the internet, you can save the request information to a file, copy that file to another computer that does have access to the internet, and then make the request that way. Let's use the first option, click Next, and the software has been activated. Click Next to finish, and click Finish. Once the installation process is finished, you'll notice on the desktop of your computer 3 icons. The first one launches the nanoCAD platform with 3 modules: 3D modeling, raster editing, and terrain modeling. The second one launches nanoCAD with the construction add-on. And the third one launches nanoCAD with the Mechanica add-on. Note that you cannot run construction and Mechanica at the same time. nanoCAD 21 is affordable. It starts at just $200 annually. To try out its benefits, install nanoCAD 21 with 5 extra modules for 3D modeling, construction, mechanical design, raster editing, and terrain modeling, and use all of it for free for 30 days.